My name is Tom Slepička, and today I would like to share with you a little bit about my professional background so you have easier time to decide if you want to sign up for my classes. I am originally from Czech Republic, where I lived first 30 years of my life, and then I moved to United States and I live here already 11 years. I have a comprehensive culinary degree, so I am expert not just in Czech and Slovak meals, but also in a worldwide cuisine. That allows me to adjust Czech and Slovak recipes to make sure that they are authentic, but also approachable in United States and Canada. I am a former restaurant and catering owner in both countries, and I spent more than a decade in the culinary industry. I am a former culinary instructor for Kirkwood College, and currently I am a food writer for a Gazette newspaper. I already taught almost 200 live online cooking classes where I had participants from all over United States and Canada. I'm only one in United States who teach Czech and Slovak cooking classes live online in this level of quality. And if you are still not convinced, see few of the reviews. I hope that I made your deciding a little bit easier, and I'm looking forward to seeing you with my next class.